2000 Toyota Land Cruiser, cold start, 53 degrees, Magnaflow Muffler, 2.5 inch with stock resonator. Okay guys, here's an update on the muffler. Here's the stock OEM muffler. As you can see how they cut it right there, and as well as right here. This thing is huge and very heavy. So I weighed it, and this muffler comes in at 48 pounds. The new muffler is literally 8 pounds, so I'm saving a good portion of weight. And obviously the biggest thing is ground clearance. So this muffler is super wide from top to bottom, so it actually saved almost half the size of this for ground clearance for when going off the road. So not only did it sound a little louder, again, I wasn't going for super loud noise, I wanted something super quiet, more ground clearance, a little more power, which obviously is not going to be crazy, and as well as better MPG. Again, I haven't noticed a difference in MPG. Highway speeds, there's no drone, super quiet. Again, just a nice stainless steel muffler. The reason I didn't go with the Flowmaster is because they're known to rust and crack. The Magnaflow is super stainless steel, so just lasts longer. Again, yeah, so biggest thing again is ground clearance. I'll show you on the 100 again. Okay guys, here's the muffler again installed. They cut it off right there, the OEM. They did use new flanges as well to weld it. There's the muffler. As you can see, before the muffler would actually hang close to this low, and now here's a side view of it. It goes up way better. So ton more ground clearance, weight savings, a little bit better sounding stainless steel. Yeah, so this is something I definitely recommend you guys checking out for just a nice exhaust system. Again, I went with stainless steel for rusting issues because I've seen Flowmasters tend to rust crazy amount. And again, weight savings, ground clearance, a little bit more sound, better MPG, just overall general nice. Yeah, thanks guys. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Bye.